Meaning of gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means GDP at market price. Gross domestic product refers the market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory by the production unit during an accounting year. We can calculate gross domestic product by multiply the prices with the quantity of the final goods. Meaning of gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means GDP at MP. It is the market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory by the production unit during an accounting year. National income. National income means NNP at FC. What is national income? National income is the sum total of factor income earned by the residents during an accounting year within the domestic territory and outside the domestic territory of the nation. Domestic and economic territory. Domestic territory is a bigger concept than the political frontier of the nation. So, what is the domestic territory or the economic territory? Domestic territory is geographical area administered by government within which person, goods and capitals can move freely. Now it is clear what is domestic territory. So now it is essential to know what the domestic territory includes. First, political frontiers including territorial waters and airspace. For example, telecommunication services produced by Reliance Communication in India. Second one, embassies, consultants, military bases located abroad. But it does not include the foreign ones who located within the political territory of India. I can explain you with the help of an example. Indian Embassy in America, it is a part of domestic territory of India. The reason is that embassy is governed by the Indian government. It does not matter whether Indian work in it or foreigner work in it. The third one is ships, aircrafts operated by the residents between two or more countries. I can explain with the help of an example. For example, services provided by Air India between Singapore and Japan, as they are governed by the Indian government. The next one, which is included into the domestic territory, are fishing vessels, oil, and natural gas. The reason is that they are operated by residents in international water and area where country enjoys exclusive right. For example, research projects undertaken by government in international waters of Indian Ocean. Who is the normal resident of a country? A normal resident is said to be a person or an institution who resides or located in a country for more than a year, or a person or an company or institution whose center of economic interest lies in the particular country. Resident can perform activities in nation and foreign. Now there are conditions to be a normal resident. The first condition is to stay in country should be more than 1 year. The second condition is that economic activities performed should be within the interest of the nation. There is no worry whether the activities performed within the nation or outside the domestic territory of the nation. Now, difference between resident and citizen. A person is citizen of a nation in which he is born, or citizenship is allowed on the basis of some legal criteria. A person can be citizen of one country and non-resident of another country. So explain it with the help of an example. Suppose people who born in India are citizen of India, but if they live outside and their economic activities are in the interest of the other nations, then they are non-resident of India and they have citizenship of other nations. So, national product. National product means it is the production within the nation and outside the nation. And domestic product, it means that final production of goods and services within the domestic territory by the resident and the non-resident. There is relationship in between domestic product and national product on the basis of the net factor income from abroad. In the domestic income, net factor income from abroad is not included, but when we calculate national product, at that time net factor income from abroad is included. Therefore, when we have to estimate domestic income, at that time net factor income from abroad is subtracted from national product. While on the other side, if national product is to be counted with the help of the domestic product, then net factor income from abroad is added into the domestic product. Now, what is net factor income from abroad? It is the difference between the factor income like rent, wages, interest and profit earned by the normal resident of a country from rest of the world and factor income earned by non-resident within the domestic territory of a country. Net factor income from abroad can be positive as well as negative. What the net factor income from abroad include? It includes net compensation of employees, net income from property and entrepreneur, net retained earnings of resident company abroad. So, by adding these three, net factor income from abroad is attained. Now,